buy, or buy. Homophones quiz. Let's start with a quick description of each word. BUY means to obtain something in exchange for money. BY is a preposition and an adverb depending on the context. BYE is a casual and informal way to say goodbye. Right, it's quiz time. Fill in the blanks using the correct homophone. For every question, A is BUY, B is BY, and C is BYE. Let's start. Blank, see you next Tuesday. The correct answer is C, BYE. Bye, see you next Tuesday. Number 2. I'll pass blank the park so the dog can have a run. The correct answer is B, BY. I'll pass by the park so the dog can have a run. 3. My friend is going to Australia. I hate saying blank. The correct answer is C, BYE. My friend is going to Australia. I hate saying bye. 4. Don't forget to blank toothpaste. We've run out. The correct answer is A, BUY. Don't forget to buy toothpaste. We've run out. And 5. Connor must finish his essay blank 9 a.m. on Monday morning. The correct answer is B, BY. Connor must finish his essay by 9 a.m. on Monday morning. Visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more quizzes.